Welcome to the video on how panel mediators can e-file the mediation report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement. Please read these instructions before you begin. This video is best viewed in high definition. Click the gear icon on the playback controls at the bottom of the screen. Click 720p for high definition. We recommend that you view this video in full screen mode. Please click the viewfinder icon on the playback controls to go to the full screen mode. In this video, you will see how to e-file a mediation report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement. After you have finished watching the video, you will be able to locate the correct docketing event for the mediation report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement, and upload the mediation report ADR-03 in PDF format to the court's Case Management and Electronic Case Filing System, CM-ECF. You will need a login and password to e-file a document in the court's Case Management and Electronic Case Filing System, CM-ECF. A login and password may be obtained by going to the court's website. To begin, we will go to the court's homepage to get the mediation report ADR-03. On the court's homepage, we will go to the menu on the right and click Forms. The form page opens, revealing many types of forms. The mediation report ADR-03 will be found under the category of ADR. We will click the arrow next to ADR. A list of ADR forms appears. In this lesson, we will click the hyperlink to the ADR-03 form to go to the mediation report. The page containing form number ADR-03 appears. We will click the Adobe PDF icon to open the form. The form opens. We will fill in the form with the information as requested. Scroll down the page to see the rest of the form. We will complete the rest of the form and date and sign the form. Now we need to prepare the document for e-filing in CM-ECF. To begin, let's go to the menu bar on the Adobe Acrobat window and click File. And then click Print on the drop-down menu. The Print dialog box appears. In order to remove the dynamic properties in this document, you will need to select Adobe PDF in the Printer Name dialog box. We will click the drop-down arrow at the end of the Printer Name box to locate Adobe PDF. A list of printers' names appears. We will click Adobe PDF, and then click the Print button. The Save PDF File As dialog box opens. We will save the document in a folder entitled DOE v. ABC. We will wait while the document is being flattened. This process transforms an interactive PDF document to a non-interactive PDF document. Once the document has been flattened, it will not be possible to modify the data in the document fields. This document is now ready for e-filing in CM-ECF. Click the Close button to close the Adobe Acrobat window. We will go to the court's homepage to launch the CM-ECF document filing system. On the court's homepage, we will go to the right menu and click CM-ECF. The document filing system opens. We will click the hyperlink to go to the logon page for CM-ECF. The logon page appears. Your login goes in the Login text box. Your password will go in the password text box. Before you log on, please read the paragraph regarding your responsibility for redaction of documents filed with the court. In order to proceed with the docketing sequence, you must click the checkbox next to this paragraph to confirm that you have read and understood the federal rules regarding redaction. We will click the checkbox now, and then click the Login button. The Startup page window appears. To begin the e-filing procedure, we will click Civil on the blue menu bar. The Civil Events screen appears. To access the civil event for e-filing the Mediation Report ADR-03, we will click ADR/Mediation Documents, located under the category of Other Filings. The Civil Case Number screen appears. Notice the examples of valid case number formats to the right of the Civil Case Number box. We will type the case number in the Civil Case Number box, and then click Find this case. The system displays the complete case number. It includes the divisional office number, year, case type, and case number. We will click Next to proceed. The case name and number appear in the upper left corner. We will confirm that we are docketing in the correct case name and number, and then click Next. The Available Events list appears. In the Available Events list, you will see the docketing events that are available to you. In this lesson, we are e-filing a Mediation Report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement. We will click Mediation Report ADR-03, Unable to Reach an Agreement. You will notice the Mediation Report ADR-03, Unable to Reach Agreement, now appears in the Selected Events box. The Outcome of the Proceeding screen appears. There are 4 options available to you on the Outcome of the Proceeding screen: Completely Settled, Not Held Settled, Partially Resolved, and Unable to Reach an Agreement. In this lesson, we are e-filing the Mediation Report when the parties are unable to reach an agreement. We will click the radio button next to Unable to Reach an Agreement, and then click Next. The Document Upload screen appears. Earlier in this lesson, we saved the Mediation Report ADR-03 in the proper format for e-filing. We placed the document in a folder named DOV-ABC. We will go to that folder now by clicking the Browse button. The Choose File to Upload dialog box opens, containing our document ADR-03 inside the folder DOV-ABC. It is recommended that you open and view the document for verification. You must right-click the highlighted file in order to open the PDF document. A pop-up menu appears. We will open the file with Adobe Acrobat 10. The document opens. We will review the document to verify that this is the document that we want to file. After reviewing the document and confirming that it is the correct document, we will click the X in the upper right corner of the window to close the Adobe Acrobat window. The Adobe Acrobat window closes, and we return to the File Upload dialog box where the ADR-03.pdf file is still selected. We will click the Open button on the File Upload dialog box to begin the process of uploading the document to CMECF. The PDF file is uploaded. Notice that the main document box now contains the drive letter, folder name, and the file name of the source of the uploaded document. We will not be adding any attachments to this document, so we will click Next to proceed with the docketing sequence. The Party Filer screen appears. On the Party Filer screen, you will see the names of the parties followed by their party roles abbreviated in brackets. Look for the name of the mediator followed by the abbreviation ASO, which stands for Attorney Settlement Officer. If the mediator's name does not appear in the list box in the right column, you must contact the ADR Program Office at 213-894-2993 for assistance before you continue with the docketing sequence. In this lesson, we will be filing the mediation report as the mediator John Smith. Therefore, we will go to the list box in the right column and click Smith, John, ASO. And then click Next to continue. Here we will type the date on which the mediation was held. In this lesson, the mediation proceeding was held on November 7th, 2012. Click Next to continue. The case name and number appear in the upper left corner of the screen. We will take a moment to confirm that we are docketing in the right case name and number, and then click Next. The final docket text screen appears. The contents of your docket text entry should correspond to the information that you provided in the mediation report ADR-03. Please review the docket text entry for any errors. The source document path for the ADR-03 document is displayed. Please confirm that this is correct. If necessary, you may click the browser's back button to return to the previous screens. However, returning to the PDF document upload screen may cause the attachment that you previously uploaded to be dropped from the docket entry. You must reattach your document to the docket entry and continue with the docketing sequence. If necessary, you may start over by clicking Civil on the main menu bar. Remember that once you click the next button on the screen, you will have no further opportunity to go back and modify this transaction. Please be sure that you are satisfied with the docket text and the association of the PDF document before you click Next. The docket text that we have entered for this lesson is accurate, therefore we will click Next. Finally, the Notice of Electronic Filing appears. The Notice of Electronic Filing, also known as the NEF, serves as notification that the event was accepted by the court's database. The NEF provides case information as to which parties were served and the manner in which service was made. It also provides a copy of the docket text. It is highly recommended that you print a copy of the NEF for your records. This concludes the video on e-filing the mediation report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement. You should now be able to locate the correct docketing event for the mediation report ADR-03 when the parties are unable to reach an agreement, and upload the mediation report ADR-03 in PDF format to the court's Case Management and Electronic Case Filing System. Goodbye.